Welcome to Headline Writing Explained. In this video, you'll learn how to craft headlines that capture attention, boost your click-through rates, and make your content stand out. Whether you're writing for YouTube, blogs, or social media, the right headline can make all the difference. Let's dive in. Your headline is the first impression your content makes. It's the deciding factor that determines whether someone clicks on your video or scrolls past it. A great headline can increase your click-through rate by up to 50% or more. Headlines are your most powerful marketing tool. They set expectations, communicate value, and create curiosity. In today's crowded digital space, a compelling headline isn't just nice to have, it's essential for success. Great headlines work because they tap into human psychology. People are naturally drawn to curiosity and novelty. They want to know what's in it for them. They scan rather than read, so your headline needs to grab attention in seconds. Emotion plays a huge role too. Headlines that trigger excitement, fear, or surprise get more clicks. Understanding these psychological triggers helps you write headlines that resonate with your audience and compel them to take action. One of the most effective headline formulas is using numbers. Headlines with numbers stand out because they promise specific, digestible information. Numbers create curiosity and suggest concrete value. For example, 5 ways to boost your productivity or 10 YouTube hacks you didn't know work because they're specific and scannable. The number acts as a hook that draws readers in. Odd numbers tend to perform slightly better than even numbers, so try using 3, 5, 7, or 9 in your headlines. Questions are powerful because they engage the reader's mind. When you ask a question, people naturally want to find the answer. Your headline becomes a promise that the content will answer that question. For example, how to make money online in 30 days or why your videos aren't getting views tap into your audience's pain points and curiosity. Questions feel conversational and personal, making your content feel like it's speaking directly to the viewer. This creates an immediate connection. Power words are action verbs and emotionally charged words that create urgency and excitement. Words like discover, unlock, master, transform, and reveal trigger emotional responses. Other power words include proven, secret, ultimate, and exclusive. These words suggest that your content offers something special or valuable. Instead of saying, learn how to edit videos, try master professional video editing in minutes. Power words make your headline more compelling and increase the likelihood of clicks. Use them strategically throughout your headlines. Headlines that evoke emotion get more engagement. You can create curiosity with phrases like, what I wish I knew, or the secret to success. You can trigger urgency with words like now, today, or before it's too late. Fear-based headlines like, mistakes everyone makes tap into people's desire to avoid problems. Positive emotions work too with headlines like incredible results or amazing discovery. Match the emotion to your content and audience. Authentic emotional triggers build trust and drive clicks. Start by defining your unique angle before you write. What's the perspective or value proposition that makes your content different? Use action verbs that command attention. Choose specific words like master or discover instead of generic terms. Keep your headlines under 60 characters so they don't get cut off on mobile devices or search results. Lead with the benefit. Answer the question, what's in it for me, from the viewer's perspective. These practices will help you write headlines that perform consistently. Strong headlines are your most powerful tool for capturing attention in a crowded digital landscape. Use proven formulas like numbers, questions, and power words to structure your headlines effectively. Keep headlines clear, concise, and under 60 characters for maximum impact across all platforms. Always test and iterate based on real performance data from your analytics. Track which headlines get the best click-through rates and learn from them. Start writing better headlines today and watch your engagement soar.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.